Let's consider panelboard placement in a coastal home elevated 14 feet in the air. The existing panel is currently located in a bedroom, and the idea is to rotate the panel to have its face accessible from the opposite side of the wall. This would place the panel at a stairwell landing. Your mentor advised against this placement, citing a prohibition against panelboards in stairwells, even landings. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly forbid panelboard placement within stairwells or landings. However, the NEC does prohibit electrical equipment in certain hazardous locations. These include damp or wet locations, as covered in Article 110.26, and closets or storage areas containing combustible materials, also covered in Article 110.26. Therefore, consider the environment where the panel will be exposed. The Massachusetts Electrical Code, or MEC, also does not specifically mention panelboard installation in stairwells. However, it mandates electrical equipment be installed to minimize fire and electrical shock risks, as stated in Article 501.2. This emphasizes the importance of safety, irrespective of a specific prohibition. Additionally, the NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code, is relevant. While a model code, it is adopted by many jurisdictions. It requires stairwells remain unobstructed for safe egress during a fire. A panelboard, especially if projecting significantly, could be interpreted as an obstruction. Therefore, based on these codes, while the NEC and MEC do not expressly prevent a panelboard at a stairwell landing, the NFPA 101's requirement for an obstructed egress raises concerns. For a conclusion, the codes are ambiguous. While no direct prohibition exists in the NEC or MEC, the NFPA 101 potentially conflicts. The accessibility of the panel for maintenance and safety during emergencies are factors to consider. Is there sufficient clearance around the panel at the landing for someone to safely work on it? Would the panel impede evacuation in a fire? Given the uncertainty and potential hazards, relocating the panelboard away from the stairwell landing is recommended. Consider alternatives such as a dedicated utility closet or another suitable unused room. This approach prioritizes safety and code compliance.